5:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 44 nautical miles north of Geneva on the Lake to 26 nautical miles northwest of Fairport Harbor to 30 nautical miles north of Avon Point, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Willow Wick, Geneva on the Lake, Fairport Harbor, Ashtabula, Erie, and Conneaut. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass.
No.
Wind gusts 34 knots or greater, small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with these storms.
Did you know what
The current time is 5:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is NOAA Weather Radio
Stop
WA.
going.